Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cra'Deja if you've never been here before. Today we are going to be doing a unboxing video on my brand new MacBook Air. I'm so excited. I don't even really remember what I ordered. My MacBook came in this big brown box. Thank you UPS for delivering my box. So I'm gonna take some keys and I'm gonna open this box. My laptop did take 2 weeks to come because this model was brand new. The day that I ordered it, I think it was like maybe 2 or 3 days like old, and so it did take 2 weeks to come. It can take a little bit more than 2 weeks depending on where you are located, but yep. So we're gonna go ahead and get this box open. Boom, MacBook Air. So excited. was supposed to have one of these simply because I'm a YouTuber, I'm a business owner, so yeah. This is my new laptop. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. You guys have no reason to not be getting any videos or anything like that. So go ahead and open this up. Don't be needing this. And I know it usually opens up like this. Show you. So pretty. And I did get the gold one. The gold, you know, the gold usually looks like rose gold, so this is the gold one that I have. Actually matches my watch. So of course in the box you have the actual laptop. It is wrapped around this protective film. You do have the charging cable. You do have the wall adapter, instructions manual, and there's your $1,000 purchase. Let me stop, but seriously. I'm gonna put these things back in there for the time being. Let's look at the laptop. So this is the 13x3 2020 MacBook Air. This is how it looks. As you can see, she's already turned it on. And oh my goodness, already she looks amazing. So basically it's pretty much the MacBook Air. It doesn't have the touch slide.
English is the main language. Press the return.
She's ready out of the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and get her a little setup. Again, 2020 MacBook Air. I'm gonna give you guys some more of the specs while she's booting up. Right here, the laptop does have a Touch ID button. They do give you some gold Apple stickers. So like I said, this laptop does have the Touch ID. In the corner, you unlock the laptop with your fingerprint, of course. Make purchases on the App Store, Apple TV, things like that. It's pretty much like the other So now I do have my computer set up. This computer, like I said, is the brand new 2020 13-inch MacBook Air. It does have an i3 processor and 256 gigabytes, which is what I was most excited about. Like I said, it does come with the Touch ID, Magic Keyboard, you know, the touchpad, and everything else. The thing I love about this computer most is that it comes ready, like ready to go out of the box. You open the screen, the Apple logo pops up, and you're literally ready to set up your laptop. That took me maybe about 5 minutes, probably less than that if I wouldn't have been, you know, toying around with my phone. But as you can see, Apple ID already logged in, FaceTime is ready, everything is ready to go out of the box immediately. And yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm really excited about this laptop. That's going to be all for this video. If you guys would like to see more videos like this, maybe perhaps, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up that let others know that, hey, you know, this is a pretty cool video. So thumbs it up, subscribe to my channel. We are almost to 30K, you guys. We are going to get there. We're gonna get there. Comment down below, let me know any other video suggestions that you would like to see. I have a lot more content coming for you guys. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.